Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about tuples. A tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects. Tuples are sequences just like lists. The difference between tuples and lists are the tuples cannot be changed, unlike lists, and tuples use parentheses, whereas lists use square brackets. So creating a tuple is as simple as putting different comma separated values. Optional, Optionally, you can put these comma separated values between parentheses also. For example, a tuple can be defined as tuple 1, for example, and parentheses we put a string hello and then comma and then another string, for example, and we put the number, a number, we can put a number and another number. This is a tuple. Also, we can put an empty tuple. For example, tuple number 2 in parentheses, and we have a tuple 2. We can write a tuple containing a single value, but you have to include a comma. So, for example, tup 3 equals to 50 and a comma. This is a tuple too. Like string indices, tuple indices start at position 0, and then and they can be sliced, concatenated, and so on. So to access values in a tuple, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or index to obtain values available at that index. So we are going to print a result to see the outcome of the tuple 1 at position 0. At position 0, the outcome will be tuple 1 at position 0, as I said before, and now we can see the result. So the result will be run the command python tuples dot py run, and we have at position 0 hello, as we seen before in tup 1. We can also print slice and print the result at, for example, tab 1, sorry, tab 1 at position 1, 2, 3, and the result will be tab 1 at position 1, 2, 3. So we run the command, and then we'll have Henry and 9085. So it means that number 3 is not inclusive. We have number 0 that we didn't ask, or we don't want to obtain that value, we want position 1 area, and then 9085, and position 3 2021 is not inclusive. So tuples are immutable, which means you cannot update or change the values of tuple elements. You are able to take positions of existing tuples to create new tuples, as the following example. Tup4, tup4, we want the tup1 concatenated with number 1, number 2, and number 3, for example. And we want to print tab 1, tab 4, sorry, to see the result. So the result is Hello, Erin 9085 2021 1 2 3. So we now have a tuple with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements, 7 items, 7 values. So continue. Removing individual tuples elements is not possible too. So there is, of course, nothing wrong with putting together another tuple with the undesired elements discarded. So, to explicitly remove an entire tuple, just use the del statement. For example, we want to del tup4. We want to del tup4, sorry, and we want to print after deleting tip 4, so we want to see the result, and the result will be we have to print tip 4, and the result will be an error message because tab 4 is not defined. We just deleted the tab 4. So the message will be after deleting tab 4, we don't have any value. So tuples respond to all of the general sequence operations. We can also print the length of a tuple. We just put print len and then tup1, for example, and we can see as result that we have. So let me close this one and see another time len tip1. So as you can see, sorry, after deleting, no, I have to delete the print message to be more accurate. So we have four items in tab 1 that that we put before hello Airy 1985 and 2021. So again, we can concatenate as we've seen before with tab 4 equals to tab 1 plus 1, 2, 3. We also can do a repetition. For example, we can print a string saying hi and multiplying by 3, and the result will be hi, hi, hi. So the repetition also is possible. So also we can see if there are a value in that tuple, or in other words, see if there are a membership. So we can put Henry in tab 1. So the result will be true. Yes, Henry is in tuple 1. Also, we can do iteration sprint. We can do a for loop for I tab 1 in tab 1, sorry, tab 1, and we can print a message say we want the values in tab 1. So the result will be hello Airy 1985 and 2021. We can do a lot of operations. We are starting at the basic in this video. So thank you for watching, and do some comments. Tell me what you want me to talk about, and see you in the next video. Bye.